I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Soul headlight using an easy method. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. You'll need just a few basic tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and your brand new replacement headlight bulb. Once you have these ready, simply open the hood and locate the headlight assembly you're working on. Now that you're ready, let's get that old headlight out. You'll typically find 2 or 3 Phillips head screws holding the headlight assembly in place. Carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting points. Finally, locate the electrical connector at the back of the assembly, press its release tab, and pull it off to fully disconnect the unit. With the assembly free, it's time to swap the bulb. The old bulb is usually held in by a twist lock mechanism. Give it about a 1/4 turn counterclockwise and it should release. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting your new bulb, be sure to align its tabs correctly with the housing. Then, gently push it in and twist it clockwise about 1/4 turn until it feels secure. Remember not to touch the glass of the new bulb. You're almost done. First, reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Next, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original mounting position. It should fit snugly and click into place. Reinstall the 2 or 3 Phillips head screws you removed earlier to secure the assembly. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that your new bulb is shining brightly and working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.